somebody just said that something happened and the person had red dreads. So
what? Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wow.
If we're suspected of being a person of interest in a crime, can a police officer request our ID or temporarily detain us? Hey, this is attorney Chris Allen with Shane Smith Law, and here we're going to watch a video in which some individuals are being requested to produce an ID and are temporarily detained that could be persons of interest. Let's watch.
Yeah.
Can I talk to your friend here for a second? Yeah. Somebody just said that something happened and the person had red dreads. So
what? Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Wow.
Here we see the officer approach two guys here hanging out. He said somebody said that something just happened and the person had red braids. While he might not be great at articulating what he's trying to note, however, he is noting that they're persons of interest because they have red braids, and there was a witness to a crime that said the person that committed it had red braids. Let's watch.
His ID's gonna say I robbed someone or not.
If I just get your name really quick.
Spidey?
Is it okay if I get your name really quick? Right now I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
Apparently I'm out here robbing people. Yes, I want your badge number and business card. You don't have to give me your badge number?
Now, while the officer may not have used the best language, in fact, they're not being accused of anything other than being a person of interest. However, the crime that they're persons of interest in here must be a robbery. Something as simple as properly communicating what needs to be communicated and being effective in your communication by simply letting them know, hey, you're not being accused of any crime here. However, a crime has occurred and a witness has identified the suspect in the crime as having red braids. So at this point, the officer could have simply said, you're just people of interest or persons of interest here. And so if this would have happened, obviously the situation could have turned out much differently. So we just witnessed this police officer handle something that could have been handled quite a bit differently. He approached two individuals. These two individuals had red braids. They matched the description of a person of interest that the witness to a crime observed. So, can he detain them temporarily? Can he ask for their identification? Well, first it's important to clarify what detained means. It's not under arrest. Being detained or during a custodial investigation simply means that you're being asked not to go anywhere until they can investigate the matter further. They can ask for your identification and they can temporarily detain you on the scene if you're a person of interest, or in other words, if they have reasonable, articulable suspicion. What does this mean? Do they have a specific and articulable set of facts that they can advise you of to let you know as to why you're being detained? Now, they can't have a hunch, they can't just have a gut feeling. And in this case, the witness to the crime said that the suspect had red braids. And it would be a natural inference if they're looking nearby and there's a person with red braids. They can articulate this, and it is a very specific set of facts. So, they can temporarily detain these two individuals while on the scene as their persons of interest until they rule them out or until they want to continue questioning. Now, if you have questions about this matter or anything else, please give us a call at 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.